Hi, everyone. Horrifying moment. A huge boulder fell from a ravine and crushed a truck, leaving onlookers in Peru horrified. Miraculously, no one was killed. The waterfall in India flows fiercely. It looks so majestic. What I wonder is why people are still standing nearby. People were shocked to find an unidentified reddish-brown substance spewing from the ground in China. Have you ever seen this phenomenon? The terrifying moment, a flash flood, suddenly struck a popular camping spot in Sichuan province, China. Just a reminder, never set up camp in a stream bed, everyone. The moments capture the bravery of doctors who chose to stay behind and shield newborns as the hospital shook violently in China during the devastating earthquake that struck Myanmar on March 26th. Oh, wow. This view is so beautiful. Have you ever seen a snow snake? Wow, this rare sight of a large cloud falling to the ground happened in Yemen's capital Sana'a, which is 2,250 meters above sea level. The white flowers of the birch tree when they fall are often compared to snow and are extremely flammable. What a mesmerizing sight, isn't it?
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, amazing! Oh!
Do you see the ground gasping for breath? That's because of the terrible earthquake that hit Japan. A tornado devastated a farm in New York, tearing the roof and barn completely off. Luckily, the owner was okay. The scene was devastating. Heavy rain and strong winds from Hurricane Milton caused severe damage in Florida. You are witnessing the scene of the iguana living and foraging in the ocean, a lizard species that lives in the tropical regions of Central and South America. A strange sight. Large tree burning brightly from the inside while the outer bark remains almost untouched. Do you know what phenomenon this is? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Such a fierce hydroelectric dam. So satisfying because of this spectacular view. I want to see it once in my life. These mysterious glowing blue lights are caused by a type of bioluminescent plankton that emits light when disturbed. It's so beautiful. I wish I could experience it just once. Drone video captures rare reverse waterfall in southwestern Utah. 60-mile-per-hour winds blew the waterfall back over the cliff. So cute. Baby manatee and mom hug each other tight in the ocean. The giant dust storm, like a tornado, made it difficult for vehicles moving on the road. It was really dangerous.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on.
A strange cloud with a rare shape, looking like a flying saucer, became the center of attention after appearing in Bursa, Turkey. It's like the end of the world. The moment powerful earthquake causing landslide that swallows a town in Taiwan. A heart-stopping moment. Residents made a narrow escape just seconds before a sudden flash flood tore through their area in Pakistan, wiping out everything in its path. Stones have musical souls too. How interesting. This is a river that meets the Pacific Ocean at the Strait of Georgia near Vancouver Island, Canada. They really can't mix.
Right over the county road approaching towards I-35, and there's a
terrible tornado with a very strong pulling force, like a rope connecting the ground and the sky.
Tornado now moving towards Wynnewood and Joy and Davis and Garvin County. This tornado has
So beautiful. This is a soft coral, Xenia, captivates the observer with its graceful presence. It vibrates gently in rhythmic motion. If you ever visit the Great Smoky Mountains in the US, you might witness one of nature's rarest wonders. Thousands of fireflies lighting up in perfect synchrony, like floating Christmas lights shimmering through the night.
Big winds that travel to fire.
Looks strange, doesn't it? This is the blue-footed booby, one of the most unique and fascinating birds, known especially for its bright blue feet. At least 33 people were injured in a tornado that hit Guangzhou, a city of 19 million people in southern China, on April 27th. A maximum wind gusts of 20.6 meters per second. I'd really get a heart attack if I were here. The special guest that surprised the whole family. Strange clouds resembling Van Gogh's Starry Night appeared in the skies over Canada, a breathtaking natural masterpiece. In Michigan, a photographer captured breathtaking footage of an unusual ice formation along the shores of Lake Michigan, an awe-inspiring display of nature's artistry. Mysterious, extremely rare phenomenon caught in Italy. Image of Mount Etna erupting smoke ring. Extremely difficult to explain. How scary. The moment the flood came was like a tsunami.
Uy, Dios mío.
Seafoam is a rare phenomenon that can occur after major storms or tornadoes. It forms naturally when wind or waves churn up the ocean.
Oh my gosh, we're very lucky to have. Oh my god. What timing match there?
Wow, this scene stole my heart. So beautiful. This is an avalanche in Nepal.
यहीं पुग्छ यो त ल बस्ने
Is it real? Gravity-defying water at Hoover Dam.
Are you ready? Okay.
Let's go.
Like a fairy tale. See what the ice-crystallized city looks like after a storm in Canada. Stunning images show the city completely frozen. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more good vibes. See you soon.